Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to deploy your Google AI Studio app on Netlify. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure your app is ready in Google AI Studio. Once you've tested everything and it's good to go, you'll want to save the project. Simply click Save to GitHub and log into your GitHub account. This will store your project's code there. Next, head over to Netlify and log in. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. Once you're in, click Add New Project and select Import an existing project. Choose GitHub as your repository source and connect your account. Netlify will ask for permission to access your GitHub repos. Just grant that. Now pick the repository where your Google AI Studio app is stored. After that, Netlify will ask you to choose your build settings. Once everything looks good, hit deploy and Netlify will start the process. It will build and publish your app to a live URL. Once the deployment is complete, you'll find a link in your dashboard. You can also customize the URL or connect a custom domain if you prefer. And that's it, your Google AI Studio app is now on Netlify. Easy, right?